Can you imagine how great it would be to have your own powdered moringa in your home, and quickly prepare a fresh cup of moringa tea in the morning? Well, in this post you'll learn how to turn your moringa leaves into moringa powder to reap the maximum of its benefits. Preparing a cup of tea using fresh moringa leaves is simple. Steep a handful of fresh moringa leaves in boiling water for a few minutes, strain and add a bit of lemon juice or honey to taste. This will allow you to drive out all the powerful antioxidants and other compounds that make this plant so beneficial. However, if you're in a rush, you would want a quicker way to reap the benefits of moringa leaves tea. And if you wonder how, the answer is simple: moringa powder. You can find moringa tea powder in most local health food stores, and even in some supermarkets. Another way to get it is to order it from a reliable vendor in cyberspace. However, the best and safest option is to make your own moringa tea powder in your home, and it'll be perfect if you have moringa tree near your home to use its fresh leaves. How to make moringa tea powder. Collect a bunch of fresh moringa leaves, whether from a nearby tree or your local health food store, and don't bother to pluck the tiny ones one by one. Rinse them thoroughly under running water, or fill a large bowl with clean water and dip them all at once, and them at the stems. After making sure you've cleaned the leaves well, shake off the excess water. The next step is collecting the dry leaves. Instead of removing them one by one from the hooks, you can shove a bunch of them in a clean plastic bag, secure the opening and then shake and squeeze the bag. Do the same thing for the rest of the dried leaves. Now, put the moringa leaves in the bowl and remove the larger stems. You can keep the tiny ones which break apart easily. Finally, turn them into a fine powder using a food processor or a coffee grinder. Some people say it's easier if you refrigerate the dried leaves for a few hours before pulverizing them. Store your moringa tea powder in a clean and dry container with a lid, and keep it in a cool and dry place. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video with family and friends. Thanks.